Jesus. I'm falling in love with Jesus. I'm falling in love with Jesus. It's the best thing that I ever wanted to do. If you fall in love with Jesus, if you fall in love with Jesus, subscribe, type amen, amen, amen. Fall in love with Jesus. It's the